friends, I am Kavita ma'am, and today we are going to learn the very important topic, that is algebraic expression. Okay, this lesson is very important from 7 to 10 standard. Okay, this lesson is very important, so we are going to learn this lesson today. Now before starting, just please like, share and subscribe my channel, means you will get the very important videos. Okay, now expression. Now we will move towards our topic, expression. Now how expression are made? Expression are made by the terms. Okay, or expressions are the combination of terms. Then what is meant by terms? Okay, that all whatever terms are there or whatever topics are there. Okay, before this starting algebraic expression, we will learn first how that expression made. Okay, now see, for expression I told you now that expressions are the combination of terms. Okay, so what is meant by terms? Okay, that also we will see. Now see, expression means what? Just see, we will see the example. If I wrote here 5x square plus 2x. Okay, this is what your expressions. Okay, and term means what? This 5x square, this is one term, and 2x, this is second term. Like this terms. Okay, so this terms. Okay, expression means what? The combination of terms. Okay, whenever there are any operation, means addition, subtraction, division is there between two terms, then we are getting the expressions. Okay, so let's start. We will start our topic, algebraic expression. Okay, now first the very basic concept, that is variable. Now what is meant by variable? Now see, in expression, now whatever example I wrote here, okay, 5x square plus 2x, okay, plus 7, like this if I will write. Now see, here variables means what? Variable means this x, means what? Alphabet. Okay, means in our expression whatever alphabets are there, okay, मतलब आपके expression में जो भी alphabet are there, A, B, C, D, whatever, okay, and always remember that are always in small letter. Okay, so that or whatever these alphabets are there, that what we are saying, variables. Okay, variables means what? In easy language I will write here alphabets, okay, which we are using, okay, into this. These are alphabets. Okay, for example, we can use any alphabets, means A, B, X, Y, Z, okay, P. These all are what? Variables. Okay, now second number is what? Constant. Now constant means what? See, now जो variable होता है, ओके, वेरिएबल जो होता है उसका क्या होता है? नाउ एक्स स्क्वायर और एक्स, ओके, व्हाटएवर एक्स वाई जेड व्हाटएवर वेरिएबल्स आर देयर, ओके, उसकी वैल्यू क्या होती है? उसकी वैल्यू चेंज हो सकती है. ओके, व्हाटएवर वैल्यू एक्स मे बी 1 2 व्हाटएवर. ओके, बट जो कांस्टेंट होता है, मतलब जो नंबर होता है, कांस्टेंट मींस व्हाट? वन इन इजी लैंग्वेज कांस्टेंट मींस नंबर. ओके, सो कांस्टेंट मीन्स नंबर. नंबर वैसे के वैसे ही रहते हैं. ओके, इट इज नॉट चेंजिंग. मीन्स 7 इट विल नॉट चेंज. अगर हमने प्लेस की वैल्यू x इज इक्वल टू 1, ओके, इफ यू विल पुट x इज इक्वल टू 1, देन इट विल व्हाट कम? 5 into x square means 1. ओके, 1 square is 1, so 5 into 1 5. और if you will put x is equal to 3, then 2 multiply x means what? 2 multiply 3, it will 6. बट वो 2 की वैल्यू वैसे ही रहेगी आपकी, 2 की वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होगी. इसका मतलब क्या है? जिसकी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होती, मतलब नंबर्स की वैल्यू चेंज होती नहीं है, सो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कांस्टेंट. ओके, नाउ वी विल मूव टूवर्ड्स द टर्म्स. दिस पॉइंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. टर्म्स. ओके, नाउ टर्म मीन्स व्हाट? टर्म्स मीन्स, सी, नाउ इन दिस एक्सप्रेशन, this first term, okay, this one is first, second and third. Okay, 3 terms are there. Okay, now and these 3 terms are divided by that plus signs. Okay, मतलब वो separate हुए. separate किससे हुए? वो plus sign से. मतलब अगर कोई भी दो terms के बीच में अगर addition, subtraction या division sign है, तो वो अलग हो जाता है terms. Okay, so that terms, now see here in this term, okay, one number also there and one alphabet also there, or we can say the constant also there and variable also there. Here also same, here only number is there. Okay, if we will again, if we will write here x, that is also what term? One term. Okay, if we will write y, z, whatever, okay, that is also one term. It means what? Now term means what? Terms, maybe you are one variable only, yeah? Only variable or only number, or it is number with variable. Okay, number with variable means what? Now here see, number with variable. Okay, here see, number also came and variable also came. But between that number and variable, there should be multiplication sign. Okay, multiplication sign should be there. Okay, multiplication of that वेरिएबल एंड नंबर. ओके, देन ओनली वी कैन से इट टर्म्स. ओके, अगर उन दोनों के बीच में अगर नंबर और सी, नाउ दिस, ओके, 7 और x, ओके, 7 इज नंबर एंड x इज वेरिएबल, इन दोनों के बीच में क्या एडिशन साइन है, बट दे आर नॉट अ टर्म. ओके, दे आर डिफरेंट टर्म. ओके, ओनली वन सिंगल टर्म, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली वन सिंगल टर्म. व्हाट इज मीन बाय टर्म? सो टर्म मतलब क्या, उन दोनों के बीच में सिर्फ मल्टीप्लीकेशन साइन होता है, 7 into x, or we can write 7x because multiplication sign we are not writing. Okay, so 7x means what, nothing is there, means multiplication sign between them. Okay, so this is one term. Okay, 7x is one term, or if any number we are writing 2 is one term, or if you are writing any alphabet, okay, or any variable we are saying to that variable. If I will write y square, this is also one term. Okay, because y square means what, we know that y square means what, already in square lesson we learn, if square is there, it means what, y into y, means y 2 times we multiply, but here multiply, between these two y multiplication sign is there, it means what, this is only one term. Okay, if any numbers or any variables having multiplication sign between them, then also it is what, one term. Okay, now see, we will see one example. Okay, means you will understand. If I am writing the term, okay, if plus 5, this is one term. Okay, if I will write here x square y, this is also one term. Why? Because see, x square and y, इन दोनों के बीच में क्या है, multiplication. We are not writing that multiplication sign, but there is a multiplication sign between that x square and y. Okay, if I will write here 6ab, this is also one term. Why? Because between 6a and b there is multiplication sign, so this is also one term. Okay, students, if I will write like this, okay, 7a multiply b square, then it is also one only, this is only one term. Why? Because between these all multiplication sign is there. Okay, but if I will write like this, 7a plus b square, then these are two terms. Okay, this first term and second term, so this is not a single term. Okay, we are talking about here only single term. So term means, understand students, term means what, terms, it's maybe any variable, only variable. Okay, only variable means, see here I wrote variables. Okay, or alphabets we can say that. Okay, variables means what, alphabet hours we learn here. Okay, वेरिएबल्स और एनी नंबर. ओके, एक कोई नंबर भी हो सकता है, जैसे इस एग्जांपल में था, देखो यहाँ क्या था, सिर्फ 7 also there, so it is also one term. Okay, this only variable, this is also one term, or the number with variable, but there should be multiplication between that. Okay, इसका मतलब क्या है, see here, far x square, this number and x square is a variable, between them multiplication sign is there, so this is also one term. Or this 2x, this is also one term. Means here in this example, how many terms are there? See, 1 2 3 4. Okay, like this we can write. It means what? See, terms you understand, student, because this term point is very important in expression, because expression means what, is the combination of terms. Okay, when we will mix that term with addition, subtraction or division, I am not saying multiplication. Why? Because when we will multiply, then it will become only one term. Okay, so addition, subtraction and division is there, then only the two terms are separate. Okay, it will separate by the addition, subtraction and division sign. Okay, so terms you understand, student, terms means what? See, terms means only variable or only a number or a number with variable, means there should be a multiplication between number and variable. Okay, now here's also see, again from first, again I am explaining because this point is very important. See here, variable. Now variable means what? Alphabets. Okay, means in your expression whatever alphabets are there, a b c d x y, now in this x is coming. Okay, now this is what your variable. Okay, constant means what? Numbers, whatever numbers are there. Okay, that are numbers, what we are saying, constant. Okay, and now terms means what? Any number or any variable or the number with variable. Okay, means number multiply variable, that is the term. Okay, students, now we will move towards our next point, coefficient. Okay, now what is mean by coefficient? See, coefficient means what, that also you should know that. Okay, now coefficient means also it is a number, but this number, okay, with variable. Okay, सिर्फ अगर नंबर रहेगा ओके तो वो कोएफिशिएंट नहीं होगा, लेकिन अगर वो नंबर वेरिएबल के साथ है तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं, कोएफिशिएंट. फॉर एग्जांपल सी हियर, इफ आई विल राइट हियर 3a² b. नाउ दिस 3, ओके, this 3 is what? Coefficient. What we will write here? See, 3 is coefficient. Okay, coefficient of this a² b. Okay, or we can say a² like this. Okay. Now, if I will write here, if minus 2x², it means what? Now see here, whenever we will write coefficient, so number with variable. Okay, it means what? वो नंबर जो है आपको वो साइन के साथ लेना है. मीन्स नाउ हियर -2 इज देयर. ओके, -2, सो दिस -2 इज कोएफिशिएंट, वी विल से. ओके, -2 इज कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ दिस x². अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट? कोएफिशिएंट मतलब क्या? जो भी वेरिएबल के साथ होता है नंबर, ओके, उस नंबर को उस वेरिएबल का क्या बोलते हैं, कोएफिशिएंट बोलते हैं. ओके, नाउ हियर सी, बिकॉज इट इज इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, सो दिस नंबर इज कॉल्ड कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ दैट variable. Okay, but sometime they are giving only a variable. Okay, if I am writing here a, so now number is not there, but nothing is there, it means there is always a 1. Okay, we are not writing this 1, but here because this a means what, is only 1a. Okay, 1a, but we are not writing this 1a because 1 into a is what, a only, so we are not writing that 1a. But always remember, if any whenever single variable is there, it means what, there is 1, always 1 is there. Okay, we are not writing this 1. Okay, if a, see, 1 is not there, but here always remember, if they ask you write the coefficient of this a, then what you will write? The coefficient of a is what, 1. Okay, why? Because nothing is there means what, 1. If you will write 1 here, it means what, multiplication is there between them. Okay, so 1 multiply a is what, a only, so we are not writing this 1. Okay, no need to write. If the question will come, write the coefficient of a, then your answer will be what, 1. Why? Because 1 is the coefficient of a. If the question will be write the coefficient of -x, so what will come here, -x is there, so you can write -1. Okay, see, understand students, what is meant by coefficient? Coefficient मतलब क्या? जो भी वेरिएबल के साथ जो नंबर आता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम, कोएफिशिएंट. ओके, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ दैट वेरिएबल. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट दिस concept, because from this concept only you should know the what is meant by expressions. Okay, now we will move towards the addition of first we will see the like terms. Okay, why? Because addition and subtraction, one rule is there, always remember that we can add and subtract only and only like terms. Okay, if unlike terms are there, then we can't add. Now before that you should know what is meant by like terms and unlike terms. Okay, first that we will see the first like terms and unlike terms. Okay, just see now like terms. Okay, like term is what? See, terms. Okay, if the terms having, see, terms with same variables and with their same exponent. Okay, same variable with same exponents. Okay, why I am saying exponent? Now see, you will get that exponent means what, powers. Okay, you know na, exponent means what, power means x square, so 2 is the power of x, like that. Okay, exponent. Now what I wrote here, see, terms with same variable with same exponent. Okay, means the exponent should be same. See, if for example we will take one example, means you will understand. If I will write here, see, 5a² b. Okay, now this 5a² b, this is one term, and now if you want to write the like term of that, so again like term, see again one term I will write here. If I will write here 7a² b, then both are what, like term. Why? Because see here, okay, here also see, in this term a² is there, means a's power is what, 2. Here also a's power is 2, means a², both side a² are there. Here b, here b. It means what, both side terms are same. Okay, sorry, variables are same with their exponents. Okay, means their exponents also same, मतलब उनके power भी same है. यहाँ a कितने है, 2 है, यहाँ भी 2a. Okay, और यहाँ 1 भी, here also 1 भी. इसका मतलब क्या है, ये दोनों like term है. नंबर we can't see. Okay, यहाँ पे नंबर देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर नंबर सेम होंगे और वेरिएबल डिफरेंट होंगे, then they are not like term, but there should be variables with their power should be same, then only we can say it is like terms. Okay, if another example I will take, see here, if I will take like this, see 2x square y and 2xy square. Now student, just tell me, is both these two terms are like terms? No, they are not like terms. Why? Because see here, these two are same. Okay, what I told you, no need to see the number, we have to see the variable. See here x square are there, x square, and here only x is there. Means here 2x are there and only 1x. Here 1y is there and here y square is there. Means both are not same. What I told you, what is our condition, that variable should be same but with their powers. ओके मतलब वेरिएबल भी सेम होने चाहिए, मतलब वो अल्फाबेट भी सेम होने चाहिए और उनके पावर्स भी सेम होने चाहिए. ओके, उनके पावर्स मतलब जो भी अगर ऊपर नंबर है, अगर यहाँ पे सी हियर एक्स स्क्वायर इज देयर, हियर ओनली एक्स, सो इफ अगर यहाँ पे भी एक्स स्क्वायर होता, ओके, एंड इफ वी विल राइट, ओके, नाउ दे आर like term. Why? Because here also x square, here also x square, here only 1y, here only 1y, so they are like terms. Okay, if I will write here x square y cube, x square y cube, then also they are what? Like terms. Okay, if we change place, okay, because see between 2x and y, multiplication sign is there, so if we change place, then also no matters. Now see, if I will write here phi, okay, if phi m square n and 6 n square. Now these are like terms? Yes, these are like terms. Why? Because see, no need to see the number. Numbers are different, then also okay. But now see, here m square is there. Okay, m square, and here also m square. Okay, here n, here also n. Place only change. Okay, only we change the place. Why? Multiplication sign is there. If we change place, for example, see 4 multiply 3, it is also 12, and 3 into 4, it is also 12. So in multiplication, if we change place, so okay, that answer will not change. So see here, m square and here also m square. Okay, both side m square is there. See, their exponents are same. Okay, here also m square, here also m square, and here only n, here also only n. So they are like terms. Understand, students? Like term means what? अगर उनके variable with their exponents are same, then that terms we are saying the like terms. And the very important rule, and unlike term means what? What change होंगे? Okay, unlike terms means what? Unlike terms actually no need to give. If you once you understand like term, so unlike term means what? उनके variable और exponent different होंगे. मतलब अगर मैंने यहाँ पे ऐसे दिया phi a square b and phi a square b square, then they are unlike term. Why? Because see, नंबर्स भी सेम है लेकिन कंफ्यूज होता है, कभी कभी क्या करते हैं हम इसको भी लाइक टर्म बोल देते हैं, लेकिन सी ऑलवेज रिमेंबर फाइव नंबर्स आर सेम. हियर ए स्क्वायर आल्सो सेम, बट हियर ओनली वन बी इज देयर एंड हियर बी स्क्वायर इज देयर. ओके, टू बीज आर देयर, सो दे आर अनलाइक टर्म्स. ओके, बट लाइक टर्म्स मीन्स व्हाट? अगर वो उनके वेरिएबल विद देयर एक्सपोनेंट्स आर सेम, देन दे आर लाइक टर्म. अगर उनके साइन चेंज है, देन ऑल्सो दे आर लाइक टर्म्स. हाँ, अगर मैंने यहाँ पे अगर ये किया, सी phi a square b and minus 7 a square b. Yes, minus 7 is there. This term is minus and this is plus. Then also they are like terms. Why? Because their variable with their exponents are equal. Okay, students. And why I am telling this like term? This like term point is very important because we can add, okay, or subtract only like terms. Okay, only like terms. Unlike terms, we can't add and we can't subtract. Okay, always remember, we can add and subtract only and only like terms. If unlike terms are there, then we can't add. Okay, then we will see this how to do the addition and subtraction of like and unlike terms. Okay, students, first you understand what is meant by term, what is meant by coefficient, what is meant by variable and constant, because these points are very important for the algebraic expression. Okay, students, now we will see the addition of the algebraic expression. Okay, but in next video. For that, you can please subscribe my channel, means you will get the important lesson, important videos also, and next video also you will get if you will subscribe my channel. Okay, students. Okay, bye, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye, students.